Creating a highlight video can be challenging if you're not technically inclined. So with the StatVolley website, I've tried to make it as easy as possible for someone with very little technical knowledge to create a highlight video. So the first thing you need to do is, once you've logged into the website, click on the highlights link. That'll take you to the highlights section. From there, you can click on create highlight video. On the window that pops up, just put the name of the whatever you want to call your highlight video. This is going to be the title that's displayed at the top of the video. So for this one, we are just going to put, let's put test highlight video, and the notes. This is a test video to show features. Okay, then click Create Highlight Video. Now you'll be taken to this screen that says Highlight Video Successfully Created. It'll have the title of the highlight video, and it'll also show you what the next steps are in order to add clips to your highlight video. But the thing that you want to take note of is this link here, because this is the actual link to your highlight video. Right? You can look this information up later, but it's something that you want to keep note of. This is what you're going to send to whoever you want to send the highlight video to. Now the next step is to add clips to your highlight video. So basically, any form or way that you can create a montage of video clips can be used in order to add clips to your highlight video. So what I mean by that is you can click on, for example, the matches section. Let's go to this match here, and say we wanted to add, say this was Isaac's highlight video. We could go to his kills, for example, on the stat sheet. Let's just pause that for now. And then you have all his kills from this particular match. Now you could do this with anything. You could do it with serves, digs, blocks, whatever. But for the purposes of this highlight video, we're going to do it with kills. So the next step would be to click on Highlight Clips. And you'll see that this window, the information changes, and you have an Add button. So for any of these clips, you could just click the Add button. A window will pop up. On this window, you could just select the highlight video that you want to add it to. In this case, the test highlight video. You have the clip order. So what the clip order is it basically shows you, or it basically determines in what position the clip is going to appear in your highlight video. So for example, if we selected 1 for this, then added this clip, that would be the first clip in your highlight video. If you wanted to add another clip, you can click on the add for a different clip. Let's move this over. And you could set this as the second video. And you just click add the clips. Oops. We have to select which highlight video. Add the clip. And it's as simple as that. You would just go through all the videos, all your video clips, regardless of how you got them. They could be individual match clips, or you could go to the cumulative stats and click the clips there. So why don't we do that? Let's go back to main. Let's go to the team. Let's select Isaac. Where is he? Here we go. And then you have all his clips, right? So any of these can be used to open up a window where you can see the video clips and add those to your highlight videos. So let's click on all of his kills. And so these would be all the kills for the season. Once again, click on highlight clips. And so from here, again, we could add. And from here, you can also obviously view the clips if you wanted to see if this is a clip that you want to add. So you preview the clip and then see if it's a good clip. If it was, you could just click on Add, Clip Order. This would be the third. Let's pause that. Click on Select Video. Now, you can also add notes to each clip. So if you added 20 clips and you wanted to know what they are, you could put this one was a kill. You can also alter the start and end time of the clip. By default, the highlight clip is going to retain the start time and end time exactly as it appears in your series of clips. So let's just click on that. Now, once you're happy with all the clips that you've added, you can still go in and edit the actual highlight video. The way you would do that is you'd go back to the main member section. So let's close this window, go back to the main member section, go to the top, go to highlights. Right? And then you have a list of highlight videos. So if you click on that, it'll show you the list of highlight videos that you're working on. If you wanted to edit the name of the highlight video or the details of the highlight video, you could click it. You could click on the edit button, and then you can change that. You can change the information here. Now, the important thing from this screen is you need to look at the status. If the status is open, that means you can still add clips to the highlight videos. So when you click on one of the montages and the videos comes up and you click the add button, if this status of the highlight video is set to open, then you will be able to choose this highlight video from your list of options that you want to add the highlight video to. If it's set to closed, then it's not going to show up there. Okay, so let's just go back. So if we wanted to actually edit the clips in the highlight video, like changing the order or changing the length or deleting them, you would click on the name of the highlight video, and then it would show you all the clips. Right, so you could edit it. Say you felt that this clip was too long, you could shorten it by 2 seconds. Click on Refresh Clips. If you wanted to change the order, like say we wanted this one to be clip 3, we could do that. Let's see, clip 3, refresh clips, and now you see that one clip has been moved to clip 3. I wanted to go over one additional thing, or re-go over it, because I don't think I made it clear. So let's go back to the member section. Okay, let's go to our matches. Let's go to Alberta versus Sherbrooke. Okay, let's click on this continues just for something a little different. Where's Isaac? Okay, let's click on this continues. Okay, so when we click the highlight clips and we click on add, if the status of the highlight video is set to closed, then it's not going to show up in this list. If you have additional highlight videos that you've created and they're all set to open, then they would all show up in this list. Okay, so let's close that. Let's go back to the main section. Let's go back to highlights, list of highlights. Okay, from here you can also see, or you can also copy the link that you want to send to other people. And here's where you can see the status of your current highlight video. And that's basically all there is to making a highlight video using the StatVolley website.